we're back in a 991.2 GT3 RS. This car's a 19. We have the SST valve controller installed. We have a set of race free flow headers, and we have the Valvetronic system, stainless steel with the black tips installed. Riding along, 6 gear, 1800 RPMs, no drone, no unwanted frequencies, even with the race headers installed, with the valves closed, and with the valves open, you're gonna hear the best RSR sound experience for the 991.1s and .2s is right here, only at Valvetronic Designs. Huge flexibility, incredible RSR sound pitch, and unparalleled design configuration to give you that velocity, which gives the best sound. When you are fortunate enough to own one of these cars, there is only one exhaust to choose, and that's from Valvetronic Designs. Let's hear some sound. flexibility. So let's take a second to dive into the engineering as to why the car sounds so good, it's so exotic, is because of the rear section. The Valvetronic system we've designed, engineered to have a really enjoyable, crisp sound experience, whether with headers or without. The big thing, there's three main development aspects. The first is the loop sections. They've been tuned so that we can maximize the pulse frequency. We've tuned that to increase it on the wavelength spectrum of where it's exiting out the tip. So having that extra length allows us to increase and match the perfect wavelength. So when it exits the tips, it's traveling at the correct distance, so you get that pitch. That's the increase in length there. The valve flexibility comes from those mufflers. Even though they look quite small when compared to the factory mufflers, they're offering ceramic brakes, very squeaky. They're offering a huge amount of volume flexibility inside the car and outside, so that you wouldn't know the car is modified, which is nice, even with the header. So that really helps. And then the third thing is the way our X-pipe is configured. Again, more length is the goal. So the exhaust, instead of just going cross and out, it goes cross, up, and then flares out, then comes down. So you get as much crossover as possible to funnel those exhaust frequencies together, tying all 6 cylinders to one, and that's where you're really extracting that pitch. So those three design developments showcase why this system is the best on the market in terms of flexibility, overall sound quality, and just the frequencies achieved. Now, let's get back to the sound.